Hello, welcome to this video tutorial how to place a bid as a freelancer. So in this video tutorials, I'm going to guide you comprehensively on how to you can place a bid and win a proposal for any bid that you place. Okay, now first thing that you need to do is, as a freelancer, when you first create your account, you want to go to the site profile and you make sure that you professionally will set up your profile by using your real image. You have to be the real image of yourself and you have to edit it to make it more professional. You can use Canva to do the designing to make sure that your your image is very professional, because this is your identity. This is what the agencies is going to look at. This is what the agencies is going to see. So make sure that you want to keep it professional. Then apart from doing that, do not use celebrity image, not use cartoon image, animate or whatever, like wallpapers or whatever. Make sure it have to be professional image of yourself. Okay, and by doing that, by clicking on what edit, and here you can change the profile image. You can put your name, the locations. If you have any portfolio website that you have, you can put that here. You can put your phone number, your hour rate, you can set that, your skill set, you can put that. And make sure you want to have a very good bio write up. You can put that here also, because freelancers is also going to see that your experience level. You make sure you will do that. Once everything is successfully set up, you click on save changes and that will save that. For now, I've done my own, so there's no point of me doing that again. Then the next thing I want to do here is to go to the dashboard. Now it is not time for you now to place a bid. Okay, now in your dashboard there are going to be a list of thousands of available job. Like I said, this is a demo account, and you can see their job. You can click on this side to save job, right? Let's say for example you don't want to place a bid or write proposal for now. You can click on this side to what to save. Click on this button, and then it's going to what is going to save the job. Then at later time you can go to save job. Then you will see that, okay, and you can also what place a bid from that side. And for each job post, there are infos or details about the um the agencies that make that post. And how do you do that? By clicking on this view. When you click on this view, it is going to give the details about um the agencies. They can see it's about, like I said, this is a demo account, so in a way other these you're going to see the demos, you read you know infos about the agency. So you can see that the agency have like total job post 3, and then the team size is 1 to 10, the website is that, and then contact persons, and of course the just 2025, the locations. You can see all of that there. And then once we can also see the metrics, the amount for it, the durations for the job, and the locations, the job type, the proposal, the credit that required. Because every job post that you have, you want to there is credit that is applied, that is required, rather, that is required for you as a freelancer to submit proposal or place a bid for that job. Okay, so I just want to click on this one, play B, and of course you can see that the is a web designers from the agency Bizimi. Okay, that's the company. Then the amount is 10,000 to 20,000. The credit required to apply for this job is 10 credit. And this is where you want to write your proposal. You want to describe your approach to this project. You make sure that you write something compelling, you write something attractive, something winning, right? You describe how you can do the project, the timeline that you can give, the amount that you can give, and you make sure that you're free from any errors in your write-up, and make sure that everything is correct. When the agency is reading this, okay, yes, this person, this freelancer knows how to do this job well. So you make sure you want to write that, and then you put in your timeline, then you put in your budget, how much you want to charge for this, because the agency has a maximum number. Sorry, the maximum amount the agency can give is 20,000. You can put your own, and of course you can negotiate. It might be more than that 20,000, because sometimes agency might not really know how heavy a job is. Okay, so she might from your registration can be more than that. Of course, you enter that in attachment, you can put that, and then once everything on this button become available, and of course your credit will be deducted, and then you can submit proposal. So basically, this is how you can submit proposals or place a bid. Thanks for watching.